How to find the serial number on your Erbauer impact driver. Now, there's not one place fits all on the Erbauer impact drivers. Look in multiple different places. First place to look is to take the battery off and look within the housing here where the battery lives. As you can see, this one has no numbers, so there's no serial here in this bit, but yours may have it printed here, even sometimes along this edge or this edge. Look around the battery compartment section and you should see it. If not, if the Erbauer sign's facing you, turn it all the way around and it should be on here. This is a serial number and you should be able to identify yours with the SN serial number. That's what will be indicated with SN, and that's your serial number here. If you don't see it here, have a look around the handle, but in most cases it'll be here on the black label opposite the Erbauer sign or within the battery compartment here at the bottom. So hopefully that helps you find the serial number on your Erbauer impact driver. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.